Hello everybody, welcome to Italian Cook with Antonio. Today I have a special recipe called Veal Alla Vespucci. This recipe is in honor of the late 15th century explorer Amerigo Vespucci. Benvenuti amici, oggi c'è una ricetta speciale in onore al nostro esploratore del XV secolo, Amerigo Vespucci. I got about 8 to 10 ounces of veal, which is I slice and I pound in 2.5 ounces of scaloppina, which are very thin, tender, that I'm gonna put together with some onion, a little touch of butter, some parsley, and some fresh mushroom, which is portobello and champignon, and with a touch of cream and some little cognac. And then we're going to put on the side a little mashed potato, which I'm going to do those potato I'm going to put to boil before everything else. To save a little time, they will take a little while boiling. Okay, now that I put the potato to boil, what we're going to do, we get ready, I'm going to chop some onion. Now we go with a mushroom, with a portobello. And the same thing with the regular mushrooms. Now we are done with the cutting, preparing. We're just gonna go to the stove and get ready to do the sauce. Okay? Come with a little butter. Now we add the onion. We'll let brownish a little onion. Facciamo arrotolare un po' le cipolle. Now the onion is now nice and golden. We're going to add the more. Well, first put a little parsley. That's the flavor. Then we're going to add the mushrooms. Mix that. Now the mushroom, we're going to add a little salt. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the little brandy, the cognac, whatever you have it. No flame, because that's the electrical stove. Going to be no flame. Now we're going to add the cream. Cream with that. It's going to be a nice brownish color. So we put some cognac in it. Get the veal ready. I'm going to dust a little in the flour. Be ready to put the oil. Maybe we'll let it cook too first. Now that it's done, we put it in a napkin. We let them We'll go back with the other two. They're thin, look like they're thin, but they're not. Okay. Gonna dry it out a little bit, then we add the sauce. There you are, almost done. We do the same thing. Put them off here. We dry a little bit. Now that we're gonna add in the sauce, that is gonna take the taste, e li lasciamo per un po' cucinare di nuovo. Gonna put a low, right, and we let them cook a little more. In the meantime, we wait that the potato is cooked to make the puree. I strained the potato. Now we're gonna smash it. There you go, make it nice. And we're gonna add the little butter. Make it nice. And salt. Add a little parmigiano. Add a little no fat milk. Right there. Okay, now we're done, we're ready to serve. Okay, let's start with it. Mashed potato first. And we're ready with our veal. So veal, we're going to put a little parsley on top. There you are, that's our Veal Vespucci. Okay, now done that, we're going to accompany it with a nice glass of Chianti. Cheers, salute. Now we're going to taste it. It's nice and soft. Very good. Delicious. I hope you're gonna try it. Wish you were here. Buonissima. Salute, provatela a casa, Fate questa ricetta in onore del nostro esploratore. Salute, alla prossima,